How interesting going on.
On what?
On your Facebook, what else? Oh, stop being dippy. Is that my e-cig? No.
Do you want some?
No, you're alright. What was that? That was not me.
Liar.
You know we
Fucking liar.
you know we finished that video last night with me saying after Richard said that I'd pumped and put her head under the covers. That's just got her back, hasn't it?
Excuse me.
Do you feel embarrassed now? You better say pardon.
Excuse me.
Pardon.
Pill Smith.
Phil Smith.
I mean Phil. Pig.
Hey, pig, yeah. Isn't she? Paris Angel, hiya Paris. We've just seen you, haven't we? Oh look, I've got the little green men back. Now you tell everybody it's the little green men.
That's not Little Green Man, it looks like the Hulk.
Well, what's the Hulk? It's a
Incredible.
big green man.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Green
it's
giant.
a green man.
So,
Yeah?
how's that happened?
Don't know, I had it the other night and nobody believed me, and when I look back on it, it wasn't happening. We've got some angry faces. Hello, angry faces. Hiya, Amy McCulloch. Hiya, Paris Angel. Come get me. I can't have a removals ban at the moment. It's like,
What?
I just got a couple of dead bodies in the back of the car. Yeah, so be warned, anybody. Right, so we're going to have a little chat. Are we going to do what we did last night? Are we going to do the answer the problems? I think that was really interesting. So if anybody's got any problems, any personal problems they want answering, either myself or the...
Pig.
I forgot your name.
Pig.
Pig. Oh, the pig will answer your questions, but we need to get your questions. Oh, by the way, I went somewhere today,
What do you?
and yeah, I had to buy something to just, you know, when you miss somebody. I was really missing you, and I had to buy something. I don't know what it is. Just smell my fingers. See if you can guess what I bought. What does it smell like?
I don't know.
Can you smell out?
No.
I bought a packet of prawn cocktail crisps to remind me of you.
That's fucking disgusting.
And, you know what I mean, when I was eating them, all I could think about was you. What? What's so funny about that? It's this sense thing, innit? When you smell things, it reminds you of things. When I'm with you, sometimes you remind me of prawn cocktail crisps. I don't know why. But, she's crying with laughter. Right. Hi Georgia. Hi Shirley Ann. Hi Kelsey. Hi Shaw. It said hello, didn't it?
Oh, sure. What the
Hi Kai. Who else we got? We've got Courtney, Jessica, Lucy, Alan.
sure.
We're still waiting for your problems. You know, boyfriend problems, girlfriend problems, problems going to the toilet. Anything will do, as long as, right, what's this? Can you give Georgia, Jeffries, Jake, Melinda and Nathan a shout out? There you go. Hi Mel, Gary Cooper. Can you say the name Taylor? There you go, Taylor Dio.
What?
Okay. Single problems. Right, Crystal, you're doing the right thing, because could you imagine having somebody like I've got? I think you've got the easy way out, love. Haha has finally had the GP today. Richard Foster. Oh, OP. What's OP? Oh, you finally had the op. Congratulations. Well done, you. Big up. Right, tips for constipation for both. Yeah, what you need to do is start talking more bullshit. If it's not coming out your ass, get it to come out your mouth. Oh, by the way, please don't take any of these answers seriously. I'm not responsible for any divorces, any murders, or any health problems. You know what I mean?
It's for entertainment. For
entertainment purposes only. That's it. Sign on the dotted line. Yeah. Can I join you guys? That's from Sewell something. Thanks, Beth. Hiya, Michaela Q. When you guys done in next, Mel. We're doing Wednesday, aren't we?
Yep.
We're doing Wednesday. Tune in. It's going to be a good one. Leah's Westall's got her socks on. I've got me socks on. I've got me socks on. Purple socks on. Hi, Thomas Buckland. Why's Rachel not? Are you going to get in this, wouldn't I? Got a new air freshener. I've got a new air freshener. Hi, both, looking lovely as always. Thanks, Steve. Can't you just say I am and say she looks a bit of a dog, you know what I mean? It makes me feel good then. Taylor, you're welcome if you ever come over the pond. Amy McCulloch wants a bit of mayo. I think my best friend is mentally crazy. Any advice? I'll tell you now, it's the best way to live. So she's doing alright. Even my phone fancies me, it's whistling at me. Hiya, Stephen Simpson. Hiya, Ellen Blunt. One wood. Yeah. Oh my God, Helen's just said, I don't know why. Hiya, Leah Westall. Faye, Naylor. Hey, gorgeous. Right, Courtney, can you give me any tips on how to do eyeliner like yours, please, Mel? Yeah, what you do, what you actually do, right, is you get a button eyeliner, never use the sharpened one, because otherwise it goes real good. And you just sort of shut your eyes and hope for the best. Oh, you get Rachel to do it for you. I think it'd be about the same. Right, Milkshake song and shout out to me and Emma from Manchester. Thanks, Mel. That's Carl Dindley or something like that. Stuart Duddin, are you drunk, lol? No, it's just the way I talk. I'm actually drunk on love. I've nicked your wife. Tough. Hard luck, Stuart. May the best man win. Right, we've got Emma Dawson, we've got...
Have we just been to Emma's?
Hiya, Emma Dawson, we've just been to yours. Dawson. I always call him Dawson.
Yeah, I know you do.
Yeah.
Just thought I'd correct you.
Right, so we've been corrected. It's Dawson, which I will remember for the next 5 minutes. Hiya, Heather Littlewood. Hiya, Crystal Seeley. Right, I think we'll let Rachel entertain you for 30 seconds. Do something quick.
How much do you do a number 2 and do you feel it come out? How much do you do a number 2? How do you tell a man his breath stinks? And a shout out for Lisa.
Okay, right. Shout out for Lisa. How do you tell a man his breath stinks? You just say, look, no, you don't. No, you can't just turn around and say his breath stinks. No, what you say is, I would rather give you a blowjob than a kiss. And he should get the answer. That is unless...
Shit breath.
Shit breath. Yeah, I could say that, yeah, but I think that's a bit mean.
Nah.
Yeah, I
Not
think
if the breath really stinks.
saying I'd rather give you a blowjob than a kiss. I think that tells them everything, doesn't it? Or is that? Alright. Hmm? Yeah. Alright, okay, we got Liam, sorry. Never mind. Can you shout a relaxing time? Can you shout a relaxation time? That's it. You are feeling very sleepy. You are feeling very sleepy.
Oh God, do you know what you sound like?
Sleep now.
Shut that door.
Oh, right, okay. We'll forget that one. We got Connor Judge. We got...
That was better than Liz.
Really?
Yeah.
Honest?
Yeah.
Right,
I'm hypnotised already, look.
Oh, she's hypnotised. Right, you are feeling very sleepy. Can you get out the car and dance about the car park like a lunatic?
Yeah.
You need to run about like an idiot, like a chicken.
Your screen's gone.
Huh? I'm drinking cappuccino. Hi Siam. I think it was anyway. No, it was Sam. So we got any more interesting? We want to help you people. Oh, you can't hear me now. It's because my fingers over that. There we go. Hi Karina Paul. Hi Taylor Toto. Steve Simpson. Okay, I have to go to work now to do. Yep. I know I've uncovered the mic. Hey Chuck. I hope that's not Chucky. Shout out to Danny from Amy McCullen. Emma Dawson. Shout out to me. It's his star.
Right, it's a daughter.
Hiya, Star. You are getting closer. You are getting sleepy. You are getting very, very sleepy. Close those eyes. Close those eyes. No, don't, 'cause you'll all fall asleep, won't you? Right. I had loads of things to do to you tonight.
Why?
And I can't think of what I had to do to you. You know, to annoy you.
Why do you need to annoy me?
'Cause it's what I do best. Where's your socks song, please? It's on my profile.
Tell Helen I've just texted her.
What?
Tell Helen.
Helen, she's just texted you. Old Stinker is close by, said Karina Poe.
How do you know?
I think she can smell under your armpits.
No, I've got deodorant on.
She's got deodorant on, or is it me? I don't know. Who was bibbing?
Don't know.
I don't know. Why do I sound so dozy tonight? I sound real dozy, don't I? Do I?
Do you?
Yeah. You are? No, I haven't. Hi, laddies. I think that should say ladies, actually. But laddies is okay. I don't know if you're aware, but Rachel is transgender too. She's now just hanging about with me because everybody thinks she is. It's like, oh, are you transgender? So what if we are gorgeous, aren't we? Are you gorgeous? Oh, she is, isn't she? Can I... Right. Can we have some love? I think Rachel is gorgeous. Little loves.
You were going to say some dozy like and stopped yourself.
Yes, you're right. Like, it's Rachel doesn't even love. Where's your
socks and shaky rocks?
You what?
Where's your socks and shaky rocks?
I've got me socks on. Here comes the love for Rachel.
Oh.
There we go, look at all that. You see, you're gorgeous. Oh, look. Oh, that's so sweet of you all, thank you. That's enough, don't make it feel too good. You know what I mean? Calm it down, calm it down. She'll think she's that gorgeous in a minute, she'll leave me. And it'll be, oh, by myself.
That was really good.
What's that?
No.
Wasn't it?
No, I didn't even have a
I
clue what I was
don't
going to
want to
say.
be all by myself anymore. What are you talking? Can you sing?
No.
You can. What are you looking up there for?
Didn't you see that flash?
No. Look, they're giving me love for my singing, aren't they? Oh, they're still giving you love for it because you're lovely.
You're equally amazing. There you go.
Oh, thank you. I'm just a bit more amazing than her. But she'll be getting on my level soon. Somebody's just called me a legend. Jamie Lister, you're a legend, Melissa. Why aren't we friends?
Legend.
Honestly, the amount of times I get called a legend, and it's like, I don't even like chicken.
That's brilliant.
Thanks, Margie. I'll definitely do. Alexandra Roy Thompson told Rich I said G-I. Do you think he meant high?
Yeah.
No.
Jay.
He's not in the American Army, is he? G.I.
I don't know.
Well, that means even Elvis Presley song.
Or a film, judging.
G.I. Jane.
What was
Elvis
his name?
Presley, because he was a G.I.
What was his name?
Oh,
Whoever said
don't know, he's gone now.
Jazz. Might be.
No, I've been G.I. Casey Shepherd, funny. Sharing love, sharing my kebab. Nessie's got kebab. Everybody to Nessie's house. Can you put your address on here, Nessie? We're coming for your kebab. Don't say we'll have the kebab. Somebody else has called me legend, but they've done it with loads of D's. Are you real? That's William Cameron. Actually, I am a figment of your imagination. Keep watching and I will suddenly disappear. When you open your eyes, you will realise nothing has gone before.
Before what?
I don't know, it just sounded good, didn't it?
No.
Yeah, it did. I love you too, Cassie West. What's the age difference? There is no age difference.
No,
Is there?
same age.
Same age. 21? Or 22?
Don't know.
We don't know. We haven't decided yet how old we are. Nessie Big, you can have my kebab at any time, Mel. There you go, say to her. Oh, I've left my coffee. Why do I always leave my coffee? Somebody's eating his Indians. He loves English food. What are you eating Indians for? As in Heating. Does that mean he's warming them up?
What?
His Indians.
You won't get an Indian in a microwave.
You won't, no. Anybody who's watching, please do not try that at home. You do not put Indians in the microwave. No, it's wrong, isn't it? Yeah, it is wrong.
Arrested for that shit.
Yeah, couldn't you? Yeah, so if you're asking for advice, I'm not giving you it. Say legend, not legend, for fuck's sake. Yeah. I don't know why everybody calls me legend. Rich looks a lot younger. It's because she ties her hair back in a ponytail and it hangs her face. Do you like Jameson's? That's what I'm drinking. What's Jameson's?
Alcohol.
Oh, you'd know, wouldn't you? Yeah, okay. Love you too, Gillian Moyer. Hi, Paul Cummins. Paul Cummins said hi, girls.
Hello.
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 Hello. Shout out to Ginny case. We've got.
Hello.
I need to explain this. What you've got to remember is I've been out at work since 3 o'clock this afternoon, so I look a little bit tired. Rachel stays at home, laid on a sofa eating grapes all day, and...
That's disgusting.
That's disgusting. Why?
I eat grapes.
Ah, right, okay. She doesn't eat grapes, she just pampers herself and puts the makeup on and everything, and it's the only wonder I look so tired. It's like she slave drives me. I've got to work 23 hours a day and I get a coffee with her for that.
That didn't sound very convincing.
Doesn't it?
No.
No. Alright. Right, what else we got? I want to know where you both lesbians before you met. No. Eh? No what?
No, I'm a rugmuncher.
Rachel just said no, she wasn't a rugmuncher before she met me. I've never been with a man in my life, so yeah. The only penis I've ever had in my hand was my own. What time is it over there? It's 11:15. Where do you work? Are you guys actually dating?
I'm not a guy.
No, you're not, are you?
No.
She said she's not a guy. I don't think he meant it that way. Are we actually dating?
Yes.
Yes. How did you win Rich over? There you go. How did I win you over, Rachel?
That's a long story.
Make it short. How did I want to know how did I win you over?
I don't know. She's a better ghost hunter than that bloke with like got out his pants. So that's why.
That's how I won you over, because you're looking out in your pants.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no. We'll save that for another day.
We'll save that for another day. She's got all embarrassed. But what she didn't know is I brought something with me. I wanted to show her. I'm going to show her now. This is a picture of my penis. When I had a penis, and I want you to tell me, is it bigger than all your exes? So.
Oh my god.
Is that?
That's massive.
I know. It was one. Yeah.
Now
yeah.
that is a legend.
Yeah. I just wanted to show her what she's actually missed out on. You know what I mean?
Where is it?
Where
is it?
It's gone. He's not there anymore.
So did they keep it or did you?
I've got it in a jar. I'll show you one day.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to get out and play with it?
Can I smack someone around the face with it?
Is that, yeah, of course you can, yeah.
Can I?
Yeah, she wants to smack somebody around the face with...
If we put it in the freezer for a bit, will it make it...
If what? Put in the freezer? Yeah, of course it would.
Nice one.
Yeah.
So it'd be like a baseball bat kind of thing. Yeah.
A big one?
Yeah.
A big baseball bat? Yeah.
Like a
yeah.
Wilson, Mr. Wilson.
Yeah, yeah.
Do that.
Just enjoy it while you're doing it, because it's the last penis you're getting in your hands, love. She doesn't do penis anymore. If she does, I'll chop her penis off. Oh, right. Do I really put it in a jar?
Yes.
Fair Nail, all of you up there. Karina Paul, I thought you still had it.
I will, Jolene, I will. Just for you.
Say it like legend, Mel. I said it like legend again, didn't I? Look, they're all telling me to say legend. I know I'm a legend. It's alright. I'm not bothered.
Mel the legendee.
Legendeed. Yeah. Legendeed. That's actually
go.
quite nice, yeah.
Mel
Yeah.
the legendee.
Me and Mitch had a conversation yesterday, didn't we?
We had a few, yeah.
Well, we had lots of conversations, didn't we? But we talked about surnames, didn't we? You're going to take my surname, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you don't like Nathan.
No, I don't want to be Nathan. I mean, Melissa Nathan. Don't go, does it? But Rachel Eade does, doesn't it? Paula first, Gaia Paula. Alexandra Robert Thomas. Am I transgender? No, but Rachel is.
You fucking knobhead. Stuart's put, I've divorced Rachel, taken her money too. Whoa. That's my 2p fucking gone.
Your 2p's gone. Stuart, put a 2p back, or else I'm coming after you.
Did you do that?
Yeah, I know. What we got? Karina Paul, Jolene. Do you think he is?
He needs to be.
Hi, Janine. Cassie. Kylie is watching. Is that Carly? The Carly?
Kai Lee.
Oh, it's not Carly.
No, it might be Japanese.
All right. Hiya, Kai Lee. Leah McLeod is watching. Hi, Leah. I'm okay, thank you, Paula. Susie Love, hello. Who else we got? We're going to get going in a minute because I want to shag her before I take her back home.
Okay, now.
What?
Don't do that.
I've always been honest with people. It's like one of my inflictions. I just can't help being truthful. It's like...
Inflictions?
Yeah. We're very good, thanks, Lisa Saunders. Right, tell me about this. I don't know anything that's happened. Neither do I, really. It started with a kiss.
It started with a kiss.
It started with a kiss. And then all hell let loose. Lots.
What was that status? Saying what he put?
What, about you being a...
No, then you put it on your...
Oh, yeah, basically...
What the fuck did it say?
I can't remember now, can you? But it's on my picture, innit? It's on my profile picture. But, yeah, basically... Oh, look, I'm even sounding like it.
Basically.
Basically.
I'm just basic.
We ended up getting together.
Sometimes the love of your life comes after the mistake.
Yeah, sometimes the love of your life comes after somebody else's mistake, which it was. How can I explain this?
I don't even know.
I don't even know, do you?
No,
But,
we'll save it for another day.
We'll save it for another day, yeah. Oh,
We'll take notes.
take notes and things like that, and put it in folders and everything else.
File it away.
No, we're not filing it anywhere.
Why?
Because someone will find it again.
I've got a filing cabinet.
Can you find it?
And I've got a filing cabinet.
Yeah.
You know where it is. It's fucking
You know where
massive.
it is, yeah. Okay.
It's bigger than me.
So if we put it in there, we're likely not to find it again. So that's not good. No, because everybody wants to know what's gone on.
Can buy the book.
Huh?
Buy the book.
Buy the book. Oh yeah, you can buy the book, yeah. Oh yeah, we shouldn't actually be telling people, should we? No, right. We're not going to tell our story, our love story. You can buy the book. That's a good idea, that, isn't it? Yeah. Because it is quite interesting, isn't it? Isn't it? The story. The story of how all this happened. Yeah. Don't take the piss out of me.
Do it again.
Stop taking the mickey out of me. No, it's really, really interesting how it happened because I didn't even like her. And then suddenly somebody says about a Ouija board that she messes it with Ouija boards and she's a witch and she plays with the devil and she's possessed and the demon. And the next thing I found is I've fallen in love with her and I can't pull myself away and I need to get these leg cuffs off me.
A chastity belt.
A chastity belt, yeah, that'd help, wouldn't it? Yeah. Joking. Right, we're going to go that way. Is somebody watching us? Why do you keep looking in the back?
I was just seeing who the cars was.
We
are at a fucking dogging spot.
Yeah, we are at a dogging spot actually. We've got our interior light on, so we better get up to something or else everybody will be getting bored, won't they?
Start flashing it.
No, if it's on, it means everybody can come and watch us.
How do you know?
Yeah. Okay. Susie's told you to buy me some roses.
Yeah, because I like chocolates too.
No, buy me some. Not you.
What about Quality Streets?
I bought you Maltesers last night.
I know you did. I bought you new tutus.
You
I
did?
made you a fucking t-shirt.
You did, a Ghostbusters one, and
yeah, and it's too big for you.
one of my friends on here's made me a t-shirt, which she's put in the post for me. I will be wearing it on the next ghost hunt. It's not to do with ghosts, but I'll still be wearing it. Really appreciative of it. Appreciative of it.
That was good.
Take care, Mel. She wants what you have. She's going to be your downfall, trust me. She's lovely, Gillian. She really is. Middle, you look pretty. Teeth, yes, I've got gorgeous teeth, haven't I? They'll get sorted. You can take the piss out of all you want. I don't really care because it will get sorted and I'll be giving you the fucking Simon Cowell smile with me half-mast trousers. Sorry, Simon, if you're watching, I know you do pop in now and again. Joke, sunshine. Right, so we're gonna go, and yeah. Are you smoking manna, yours?
Yeah, yours. Mine just died.
Yours just died. Did you see that? She's even taken over my e-cig. It's like she's just took over my life.
It's because I want what you have. No. That code just wouldn't see me.
It would?
No, it wouldn't.
Wouldn't it?
No, it's like a dead animal in it.
It's what?
It's a dead animal in it.
It's not a dead animal, it's not real. Are you after my coat?
No.
What are you after then?
Bit of your e-cig.
Wait till the light comes on and goes off. Do it properly. Off, on. Right, we're going. So we'll see you all soon, alright? Love ya. Bye. Well, hang on. Don't want me to kiss ya. Come here. There we go. Bye. You look so good together. I don't want to leave you all now. Bye.